This is what they call tula-tula, one of the hardwoods that could be found in our local forest here. In the mountainous areas, you could find this tula-tula, but very strong.
Can we see him swing the stick?
Okay? Tayo, pwede ka mapatiyog sa inyong baston? Okay. The old man will perform his art. Ipatiyog tayo kagang imo kan sa out. So, distansya lang, oh. Sige. Sige tayo patiyog, ah. Oh. The man is still 82 years old but still active and alive. You could see him performing his art. This is what they call Kaburata style that was converted into the art of baston or stick fighting. Kaya imo manon art kada tiyog ka. Da maskilid. Hanuton ta ka. Ikaw paburutan mo ko dahil pag taga mo lang distansya. Hindi ka lang matraka para hindi ko maigo, ha? So, yeah, this is the real face of the old man, Grandmaster Jose Aguilar.
Jose Aguilar?
Jose Aguilar. Then in America, maybe you can call him Joe. But in Spanish, they call him Jose. Jose. Yeah. Is it okay?